Then uh, even then the some zamindar were not interested in company the in the improving the land in the villages. The cultivation found the system extremely oppressive, and the rent that paid to the zamindar was high. So they took a loan from the many landers, and when they failed to pay the rent, they were excited from the exiles from the land. In and that was worst condition of this system. Then they started a new system of device. The company officials decided to change the system of revenue, and Hall Mackenzie devised the new system of which come into effect in 1822. Under his direction, collectors went from village to village, inspecting the land, measuring the field, and recording the customers and rights of different groups. The estimated revenue of each plot within a village was added up to calculate the revenue that each was the mahal. Mahal means villages had to pay. This demand was to be revised periodically, not permanently fixed. The charge of collecting the revenue and paying it is the company was given to the village headman rather than the zamindar. This system came to know as Mahal Wadi system. In this system, the revenue was not fixed according to the production. They will collect the revenue. And after that, the Munro system. In the British territories in the south, a new system was devised known as Rayat Wadi system. This system was gradually extended all over the South India. This settlement has to be made directly with the cultivators. It means riyards, means cultivators who had tilled the land for generations. Their field had to be carefully and repeatedly surveyed before the revenue assessment was made. These was the things that have done by the British people, but all was not well. In order to increase the income of land revenue, officials fixed high revenue demand. Peasants were unable to pay. Riot fields, the countryside and villages become deserted in many regions, and they were disappointed of these kind of rules by which was making by British people, and all was not good. All people were, the peasants especially, were disappointed at that time.